Hey, it's Garion again. Today in Nature Camp, we're going to be looking at God's awesome creation. We're going to find 5 things that maybe you just overlook. I'll show you mine, and then you can find yours. But remember, when we're doing this, don't break anything in nature. Make sure you keep it safe. The first thing I found near my house is this tree. At first glance, it might look like one tree, but if you look at the bottom and the top, it's actually 2 trees. Isn't that so cool? One thing you might overlook in nature is these awesome trails through the woods and the forests. They're just so cool. You can just really appreciate God's creation all around you. Make sure you wear bug spray though. If you look closely over there, this is some ducks. Isn't that cool? Just enjoy the wildlife too. So neat. Look at the water. Isn't that so nice? Sometimes I like to just sit out here and enjoy the peacefulness. Make sure you bring your sunscreen and water though. Stay safe, guys. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm just enjoying this amazing view. Just look at it. Look at that cool view. Thanks for joining me on Nature Show and Tell. This was a blast. Make sure you take some time out of your day to go just enjoy the nature around you. Have a good day. Bye.